I'm starting to believe nti okufa kwa Right Honorable Jacob Oulanyah might have been an assassination. Kuba ebintu ebikolebwa mu palamenti ey'olwaleero bikuleetera endowooza egamba nti the Right Honorable Jacob Oulanyah might have been assassinated. Why? Because Right Honorable Jacob Oulanyah, the former speaker, was a gentleman. He was a gentleman. They knew he could not accept to do some of the things that you're seeing. Jacob Oulanyah's budget was about 2.5 billion annually, together with that one of Speaker Rebecca Litwala Kadaga. Their budgets were small. But the moment Anita came to the speakership, to the seat of the speaker, and became speaker of this parliament, her budget and that of her deputy shoot up to about 12 billion. What does that mean? Chitegeeza nti whatever is happening right now, they knew the Oulanyahs could not allow this to happen. There is massive and excessive corruption ongoing in this parliament. Members of the opposition, or those that purport to be members of the opposition, are conniving to have opposition MPs elect a member, to elect a leader of the opposition, together with the opposition chief whip. Therefore, that means that whatever these guys would be doing will not be aired out. It means that you, leader of opposition, or even opposition chief whip, you are at the mercy of the members. It means the party will not have to control you. Now, I have this narrative of this belief that Oulanyah might have been assassinated to pave way for some of these things. There are rumors that the President of the Republic of Uganda, there's a provision, or there's even perhaps a bill, where they intend to elect the President of the Republic of Uganda from within Parliament, not by adult suffrage. They don't want Ugandans to elect because they know the person they want to bring is unpopular. Tasobola. Chobola right now Anita amonga kola bino ebintu bino because the death of Oulanyah was made to pave way for her to ascend. Because yet Aswala, look at the way she talks to members of Parliament. These are manifestations of the deep state. The deep state yeyagala bino ebintu bireo. These are more opinions.